Hi and welcome back to us. Now I explained the stop loss in the previous lesson. Today we're going to understand what the meaning is of take profit and how to use it. So I explained earlier in the course why you should always use stop loss in your trades, right? The take profit is similar, but the main use of the take profit is to collect your profit. Now a take profit is really important because it closes your trades on profit once the market's price reaches your take profit level. When you use take profit, you won't have to close trades manually, which could result in closing the trades later on a different price and losing a good amount of pips in your trades. So let's suppose you opened a buy order of the British pound against the Japanese yen pair a few hours ago. Well, the take profit level that you've placed is at 139.600. Meanwhile, the current market's price is at 139.550. So even if you move away from the computer for a couple hours, the Forex market is still moving, and assume the market moved up and reached your take profits level, which is 139.600. So your order will be closed automatically and the profits will appear in your account. Now, if there's a lot of momentum in the market, that can impact your trades by increasing the amount of pips and profit. And your take profit would then automatically close the trades at the price level that you've placed. But it could be a costly mistake for you if you don't use take profit. For example, assume you have a trade opened in the market without a take profit. If the momentum of the market would increase, your profit on the trade rises from 30 pips to say 100 pips in profit, okay? So your order would still be opened because you didn't use take profit in your trade. The market then could change direction and the market's price could even go further against you and eventually hit your stop loss level. So this is the importance of taking profit. You should consider using take profit unless you don't think you need to use take profit in your trades because you can truly monitor your trades most of the time. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I'll see you in the next.